Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to send friend request on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on friend option. Okay, tap on suggestion and show your all suggestion friend and scroll down, choose on someone and send friend request. Okay, then scroll, choose on any person, okay, then send friend request. Okay, then choose someone and send friend request. That's all to send friend request on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.